Hello everyone, this is Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 7th of January Shift 1 2020 question number 24. Given f of a plus b plus 1 minus x is equal to fx for all x belongs to R, then the value of 1 by a plus b a to b x into fx plus fx plus 1 dx is equal to 4 options are given. This is the problem in the house of definite integral. Now, our given I is equal to 1 by a plus b integration a to b x into f of x plus 1 dx. This is our given I. Now, write down, this is equation number 1. Now applying x is equal to a plus b minus x, for what this given function is fulfilled. So we applying x implies a plus b minus x. That therefore our I becomes now 1 by a plus b integration a to b a plus b minus of x into f of a plus b minus x. X becomes plus, this one becomes a plus b plus 1 minus x dx. Now we borrowed a plus b minus x is equal to fx. Therefore 1 by a plus b integration of a to b a plus b minus x into f of a plus b minus x plus fx dx. Now implies x is equal to x tends to x plus 1 as it becomes 1 by a plus b a to b a plus b minus of x, and we may write this one is f of x plus 1 as it is if we put a plus b x plus 1, that means a plus b minus x, and we know a plus b plus 1 minus x is equal to fx. So it is, we may write this one is equal to this plus fx dx. This is our equation number 2. Now adding these two equations, we get 2i is equal to 1 by a plus b integration of a to b, x is cancelled off, a plus b into, this is the common factor, so f of x plus 1 plus f of x dx. Now this and this is also cancelled off, therefore I is equal to half of integration a to b fx plus f of x plus 1. This is our I. Now unfortunately this is not given any options, so now the value becomes now we once again we should calculate just like that. It is we break down the integral, that is half into integration of a to b f of x plus integration of a to b f of x plus 1. And we know once again a to b fx, and I write down this one, fx is this, and this one become a to b f of a plus, once again we replace x is equal to a plus b minus x plus 1 dx. Once more time we replacing. So half of integration a to b fx dx plus this is also fx, so it becomes once again integration of a to b fx dx, and this is twice if a to b fx dx. Now this I becomes integration of a to b fx dx. Unfortunately this also not any other option, so once again we applying that, easily we know x is equal to t plus 1. Let x is equal to t plus 1. So dx is equal to dt, and when x is equal to a, then it becomes a becomes a minus 1 and b becomes b minus 1. So our I become a minus 1 to b minus 1, and it is f of x means d of f of t plus 1 into dt. As it is also a function of a t, and it is also t is also a function of x. So our fourth option is now a minus 1 to x to b minus 1 x f of x plus 1 dx is our right choice. It is a very tough problem and too much calculative, and applying back calculation method to answer option to answer method. As we simplifying step by step and just to reach the answer. That's all for today. Any question, any queries, you should just comment me in the comment box. That's all.